1957 Ford Thunderbird. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. We're not going on the freeway, but we are up to, what are we up to? Almost 60?
55, 60.
Nice.
Yeah, drives really nice.
Yeah, it does drive nice. 55, 60. I think it cruised down the freeway at 70 easy. Seems like it's pretty high geared. Up to 70. Let's see if we can get up to 70. Slowly. Keep going.
You have to be specific.
Let's get up to 70. Alright, we got a little bit of open road here. Let's see if we can get it up to 70. Not on the freeway, but 60 is good. Out on a highway, back country road. Then tomorrow I will put the top on so you guys all get to see the hard top, and I'll take some pictures in the building with the hard top on. I would assume whoever buys this is going to leave the hard top off, but I never know. See everybody soon. Bye everybody. So we were going to do a quick video of Miss Debbie doing a drive-by with the vents open and the vents closed. You're going to feel a difference. You're going to feel a difference in the air that's going to blow through there. Huh?
Do you do that from here, or do you have to do that from the outside?
No, there's a lever down. There's a lever right on the vent. You can leave them open. So cool.
So Damon,
Let's go.
Let's go for this ride.
See this thing go. And all this Naples traffic. And we have blue sky today. We haven't been able to do the drive video of this all week because the weather's just been awful. But today it is perfect.
Do they have mirrors back then?
I need to get a drone, so this would be a cool car to have droned right now, and a drone following you driving it. Wouldn't that be cool? Do they have what?
They need to have mirrors.
Mirrors? No. 1957?
I know.
I don't know what works and what doesn't work in here. The lighter, there's no way that lighter was never smoked in. That's not possible. How old is it? Like 80 years old?
69 years
69
old.
years old. There's no cup holders. Somebody asked about some stains in the seats, and there's a couple stains up on the top here. Seats are in actually really good shape. They feel like a pleather. Carpet's nice. Under the floor mats is nice. All the vents are nice. And no heater. I don't know why the heater's not hooked up, but it's not. Somebody had messaged me and said it's really easy to hook that up. Ah. Drives pretty good, doesn't it?
It does. I like it.
The dash isn't perfect. The dash pad needs to be folded and probably tucked under here, and I can feel the lip of the dash pad. It just needs to be tucked under and pinned back in place. It's good little projects for the new owner. Top of it's in good condition. It's not perfect. There's a little bit of chips here. Looks like this was painted at one point, so maybe this is a new pad and they painted it red when they painted the car. I like the steering wheels in these old cars.
I know, it's pretty cool.
Heading towards the beach in the 1957 Ford Thunderbird convertible with the hardtop off. No power steering, no power brakes. How are you functioning without power steering, power
Actually,
brakes?
It's good. It doesn't matter.
Unless you got to turn really sharp in a slow area.
Which,
Clock does not work. Temperature gauge does work. The fuel gauge works. And the tachometer does not work. I think the tach would be easy to fix. The clock would probably be difficult. The tach, you could probably get somebody to do that. I haven't messed with it. Radio does not work.
just have AM and FM. Just AM.
Just AM. I love driving this car. It's
I'm in my happy
smooth.
place.
Just super smooth. Oh, it drives great.
Speed bump test.
Yep. Got a whole bunch of them in here. Oh, it handled that so smooth.
Knew it.
Perfection. Leave it running for a sec. Let me do a walk around. Look at that. Wow. Imagine this is your daily driver. Oh yes. Chicka, chicka.